What's going on, everyone? It has been ages since I had made a video, especially on this guy. We thought we were doing the right thing. We built the top end because we bought it blown up, and it wasn't that easy. That was back in November, and it is like April 4th now, something like that. I did some little things to it, painted the bars, got the grips on, pro taper pad, cleaned it up a bit, shined up the pipe, painted the little nipple on the back, and so what happened was there was coolant getting into can't see on this side, the cylinder head, or into the cylinder, because the head and the cylinder were warped. So I got them machined, and after 4 months of picking around and trying to figure it out, asking on forums and all the old heads, I seem to have figured it out. Pretty proud of myself. Not proud that it took this long, but we're getting there. I got a box of UFO plastics, a little restout kit, and it's like 11 o'clock, and I'm just antsy, so I'm gonna slap them on real quick. I also painted that myself with some Angelus leather paint. Thought I did a decent job. The smear wasn't from me, it was already there. But I got a lever for that too, and I'm just gonna see. Probably shouldn't start it, but let's see if it kicks over. Got my jammies on. That's loud. Yeah, it starts up, man. I'm juiced. But I'm gonna put on these plastics real quick. And my jammies. Yeah. Well, if you ask me, that looks pretty damn good. If you go back in my videos, you can see the before, and it was just pathetic. This thing was in horrible, horrible shape. I cut that off. I'm gonna go through the finer blade and a little lighter and make it look like it wasn't even there. Man, I am excited. Facebook Marketplace, are you ready for this, boy? All I've seen is junk. Man, I'm like, this is awesome. Stoked. But through this period, I've gained a lot of subscribers. I've also lost a lot, and I've received a bunch of hate. I've received a lot of love, but on the forums, asking questions, all these dudes like to be Mr. Hotshot, talk shit, tell me I'm a little kid, don't know anything. I'm 23, and I'm just a little white boy from the burbs, man. No one taught me nothing. I've just always loved dirt bikes. I've always had an interest in them. That's why I bought this one. Bought it blown up, seeing if I could, do the top end by myself, do some research. I've done a couple top ends in the past. Just looking up YouTube videos and asking people questions on forums. And a lot of people like to hate. I don't get it. You could just help out. We all got to start somewhere. And people just like to be dicks. I don't get it. But I feel like if you got haters, you're doing something right. It's all process. I've learned a lot. Every time I work on a bike, I'm learning every single time, and I love this shit. You guys aren't going to stop me. This is just the beginning. Hopefully tomorrow, take it out for a little rip ski and piss off the neighbors. Not really, we'll take it easy. I've already done 3 heat cycles, and I'm just going to see if it cruises, and then it's going in the marketplace. Man, there's a little lip there, you know, but hey, I'm not complaining. It's damn good to me. Also gotta wipe all that dirt off. It was shiny. I could see my face at one point. But went in here, cleaned it all out. It's not the best, you know. Hey, I'm learning, man. I'm learning. One last little view, and then until tomorrow. Well, here we go. It is day 75, the final day. Got it all back together. It's looking way better than it was before. Like I said, go check out the original video and see what this thing looked like, because it's a whole different game now. I kind of don't even want to sell it. This thing rips. I'm gonna slap the GoPro on and take it for a quick cruise so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See if it'll start for me. First kick. No gas. I'm learning, man. I'm getting there. Not the best, but hey. I'm learning. Alright, time for a little cruise. Alrighty.